Hello there, welcome to another one of my adventures. Not sure if anybody knows yet, but I was actually born and raised in Peru. Last year I had the opportunity to take a road trip from Lima, which is the capital, to Rica. This place is very special to me because that's where my grandpa had some land in where he grew his own coffee and exported it. He lived there in his younger years with my grandma, may both rest in peace, and my dad with my aunt. This journey was so beautiful because we got to get out of the city and see more of Peru and its natural beauty. The journey took us from the coast of Lima, up the mountains, and down to the rainforest. At one point we reached an altitude of 15,000 feet. The drive to get there was 12 hours, but could have done it in 8. We just have to take some detours because some of the roads were closed. Luckily, we had a family friend that offered to drive us there in this crazy adventure. Rica is at an altitude of 4,800 feet and is very well known for producing delicious coffee. And who doesn't love a good cup of coffee? Hola! So we finally arrived here to Rica. The drive was a little longer than I thought, but the scenery was beautiful to get here. I would never forget how beautiful the mountains were. And once you pass the mountains and then the high altitude, I think the highest we were was 15,000 feet above sea level. And so once you pass that, then you get to the jungle, which is more of a Caribbean feel. Let me show you. Yeah, that's behind me. That's like everywhere around here. And yeah, so unfortunately we're only staying here a couple days. This is more like a weekend getaway. And so for today we're actually gonna go to the coffee farm and we're gonna see how where the coffee gets made. We're gonna buy some dry coffee seeds from them. Then we're gonna go to another place to get them roasted. So it doesn't get any better than that. And I can't wait to actually try it when I get back home. Let me take you on my journey. Let's go. So we arrived to this house to pick up the green coffee beans so that we can toast it later. And talk about free range chicken. It's really cute. So going to where they plant the coffee. I guess the natives go through here every day to look at their plantation. So this is as real as you can get. It's pretty exciting. The locals live here and they plant the coffee right behind their house. And I guess they go through this path to get there. It's kind of slippery, very muddy, but very cool.
Tiene una especie de pulpa. La pulpa es rica. Es dulce.
So you can actually eat the pulp and it's sweet. I didn't know that. So you keep the seed. La semilla la mantienes para el café.
Sí, la semilla se mantiene para el café.
So the seed is for the coffee, but you can eat the pulp. Never knew that. So this is where they dry the coffee seeds. So you pick this from the plant, then they dry the seeds on the sun, and this is what you get. And then if you peel that, let's see, the seed is inside, and this is what gets toasted. And that we're gonna do later. Oops. Nice. There it is. Alright, so we got our coffee seeds right here, and now we're ready to go to get them toasted. Alright, we are taking the coffee seeds to this place and when they're gonna take the shell off and they're gonna toast the beans. We're going to pick up our coffee 2 days later. Let's see if it's ready. Got a tour of the facility. They were so nice and knowledgeable and so kind to educate us in everything regarding coffee. We even did some coffee tasting, if that's a thing. Okay, we got our coffee and it's all ready to take this back home. Alright, so I got my coffee here ready to go. They make this for us and packed it for me, they roasted it for me. So I'm pretty excited to try this back home. See you guys later. Bye. Hey guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for future adventures. See ya.